have another Paladin pack to open. Let's see if this one's any better than the last. Seeing my other video on this, it was good packs, just nothing in them. So let's see if there's something in these. You ready? We have Temporal Forces. We have Paldea Evolved. We have Base Set, Scarlet and Violet. We have Silver Tempest and Brilliant Stars. I'm seeing some deja vu. Now last time we pulled a hit out of Silver Tempest. But this one has a Charizard on the front. Charizard. Alright. Brilliant Stars. Let's be brilliant. Let's get something. Okay, Grimer. Show me the way. Bit off. And... Alright. So... But... I never have too much luck with first pack, so let's see what Silver Tempest is going to give us here. I like Silver Tempest. Usually I do okay with Silver Tempest. Swirlix, Sandile, NDD, and Metagross. Yuck. Okay. So, let's go over to Scarlet and Violet here. Let's look at our first one, which is going to be Base Set. Base Set, a lot of people don't like it. There's not a lot in it. Blah, blah, blah. I don't know either way. So, Quexley, Charcadet, Ultra Ball, Arbin, Palpad. Oh, look at this! Squavit. Oh, that's a nice card. Don't know about that one. I don't think it's worth anything. So not bad. Base Set gave us something. We'll have to see if it's worth anything or not. Let's look at Paldea Evolve. And why? Because Paldea Evolved needs to deliver. Wingull, Pineco, Marl, Mankey, Didra, Palossand, Raichu, Talonflame. I always like Talonflame. Pikachu, and the boss's orders. Well, I think the boss's orders are crap today. I'm sorry, was that my outside voice? Last pack magic. Sorry, bumped the camera. Temporal Forces. Can Temporal Forces deliver us a banger? Come on, Temporal Forces. Oh, let's get rid of that. Cottony, Ekans, Explorer's Guidance, Metagross, Croconaw, and Miraidon. I don't think that was worth much, but we'll check them out anyhow. And yeah. Well, thanks for watching.